That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Baby in arms. That is a baby in arms. That's amazing. They've literally just done that.
This is Coast Guard, Roger. Which direction is the inflatable heading over?
Due west over. Sorry, northwest. That's brand new, that is, isn't it?
This is Coast Guard, Roger. Request you stand by this channel, over.
Who are they? The immigrants.
I've seen more than a couple of times now French warships escorting the migrant vessels through the northeast shipping lane, which is the shipping lane which is on the French side. Now, you know, obviously for a safety point of view, if they can't stop them from heading over, the next best thing is to escort them across in safety. I wouldn't say assisting, but I would say certainly turning a blind eye.
Is it lack of personnel? Is it lack of willpower to do it? Maybe them coming across here is one less problem for the French to deal with. It's going to continue. It's going to continue, I think, right through to the summer, where it will spike again and there'll be an increase in numbers.